Good afternoon, good afternoon. I have been wearing these twists in my hair now for 5 days. I'm trying to hold out in wearing them. I have to go out. This is what the beach did to my hair, and you should have seen that in one of my previous videos, what the beach did to my hair. So it is really frizzy. I don't have to do time right now to take these out, but I will take these out. But I want to show you what I'm going to do today, and I don't want to look frizzy and crazy, and hopefully this helps. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist just for like the edges and roots of my hair right now. And I've used it before. I don't have time to like tie it down. I just don't. I'm gonna put some more in my hand. That's what I'm doing. I'm spraying my hand right now. Trying to decide what I'm going to do with it all. So what do you think about that? That's really like style one, because I can put my hair in this chunky ponytail in the back. There's some things that I can do with my hair in these braids that I cannot do with my loose Sisterlocks, if that makes any sense to you. I could also put all this in. And I believe that is what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to use this. I can't use my trusty goodie clip for this. I'm going to use a ponytail holder. I'm going to take a look at it and see what it is. I think that is called a messy bun. A messy bun in the back. Messy back bun. I like that, and I'm going to wear this out today, and maybe in the next video you will see me taking my braids out to see what the outcome is going to be. I'm going to try to wear it a few more days, but this is my messy back bun that I'm going to wear today, and I like this on me. This is going to make me do these braids again. I know it will. I know it will. But tell me what you think about the braids, what I've done with it thus far, and yeah, all that I can do with it. Just give me your opinion. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my followers and my subscribers, but I especially love God, because He woke me up this morning and I was able to clothe my body in my right mind. And I am so grateful for just the simple blessings of life that He has afforded me. Not only has He afforded me these blessings, but if you accept Him into your life, He will bless you just as well. Have a great day.